Okay, so I'm going to do a pretty interesting video here. I'm going to show you how to make a backing disc for a 5-inch grinder. So, you can hold this up. Now, I've actually seen at the shop where I work, some guys actually put a grinder disc there and then another one behind it. But I tried that and these are meant to flex. So, I want to have a nice stiff setup. So I got some aluminum here, pretty thick gauge, and I'm going to stick this on here, trace around it and all, and then I'll have a grinder disc cut out using just tin snips. So, watch what I can do. Now you can do this for smaller discs too if you don't have a backing plate for a like a little 2-inch disc or a something else to a smaller size. I got that set up. And with the circle of it, got my snips. Cut around it, make it fit. I'm just gonna bubble cut it size. Okay, so now that we got our backing plate cut out, put together, we're gonna get our little nut, put it right in the middle, and use our Sharpie and dab a dot. You know what works better? Instead of using a Sharpie, just get your drill, pick it right in there, just mark it. And then, you take it off, you know where your center is right there. I'm going to drill through this, so it'll match the size of the thread. Have it set on there. That'll be about it. A little bit bigger. Always check your work. And it should be about the size there. And it is. So let me pop this on there. Spin this on. Get them lined up. You can see, now I gotta kind of line it up a little bit, and we'll give it a test job. So, hang on one second. You know what we actually got to do? We need to take. So, we got it set up. I don't have a little spacer there, but you know, we'll give it a try out anyway, see how it works. You know what? There's always a trial and error process. So let's give it a try and see how good it works with the backing disc. Put my air on. Put my air up. My airline up. Alright. Quick test. So, see, it makes one good grinding. All I gotta do is put a little bit more of a spacer in between it for when it tightens down. But if anyone has any questions or comments about it, let me know.